Hello guys, welcome to my second video. As previously you've seen my first video, and that would allow you to download the SQL Server 2019. So now I'll show you how to locate it and create your first database. So to locate it, your PC, or to locate your download, you will have to type SQL, the search bar, and mine is 2014, yours should be 2019, and just click on it to open it like how you would do with any program, and a window will pop up and you would see a window that would say connect to server, and the server type is a database engine. That's what you need to worry about for now. As you can see, there's quite a few choices, which are 4 of them, and that it's the only thing we need to worry about now is just clicking on the database engine, and now the server name. We can browse for more and click on the database engine, and then after the end of that, you would pick the first one, the desktop, and with your computer name varies because mine is different than yours, and just click the first one. And authentication is window authentication, but there's also choices of SQL Server authentication. For now, we'll just leave it on window authentication, and we don't have to worry about this. The username password, that's for the SQL authentication. So we'll just click on connect. So now we connect, we're in. Now we are inside the Management Studio. Now, as you can see here, this is your desktop name, this is your server, and under the server there is a database security. You see all these folders under. What we need to focus on right now is creating the first database. So our database, once it's created, should be in this folder. So now to create our first query, the first database, we need to write query. To do so, we need to click on the new query window. This one here, click on it and it would open up. And once it's open, you can go ahead and type use master, which is the master file, and go create database. Okay. So this is all we need to create a database. Now, our database, we need to give it a name. I'll just name mine first. Maybe I'll just do test. Okay. So then to run it, we need to execute right here. Execute it. Now your first database is created, so it will tell you command completed successfully, which means that you now have a database named test1. To double check this, you need to go over here on the Object Explorer. Under your server, you find the database folder and click on that and look for test1, which is right here. So you won't have all these databases, as you can see, because I've created so many of them. So yours is going to be just one if your first database lesson, so it will be just test1. So you can go ahead and just practice on creating a second database and so on. And so this video is just about creating your first database, and all you need to do is just know this query to create your first database. And that's it for today, and stay tuned. In the next video, I'll show you how to create tables under the database name test1. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.